Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get a perspective image cropping feature for free in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Google Photos. On the first you'll see the application, just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So firstly download and install it, and after that just tap on open. Now you can select your respective photos, and now just click on this edit option. Now just click on this crop option. Now you will see here one option written perspective. Just click on it. Now just drag it from the corner sides. Now you can see you can place it on any angle positions. So let me place it like this. So you can place it depending upon your needs. So let me select this portion. So you can see here, so you can adjust the size depending upon your needs. So once you're done with your perspective image cropping, just click on this tick mark. So now it will crop it to the respective alignments which you have select, and you can click on the save as a copy. So by using this application named as Google Photos, you can easily get perspective image cropping features for free in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about the cool features, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.